ebizwa nge-radio la ifike iphelele khona eventually. And uthola ukuthi i-radio ke inezinto zayo efike ibheke ukuthi kukhona lo la afaswe kanjani la usounda kanjani. So ngeke ngamcela kubafu ukuthi probably kulabo abayobe bawilling ukuthatha the feedback angabese yena kuba ukuphosa from the perspective yomuntu osebenza e-radio, right? Ngoba ngisho nawe bekuthanda because ukhona khona lapha emsebenzini station, I would also look at you to also contribute that direction. Sonke also we are contributing towards what we are hearing because now is ukuthi hey man, yabo okubuye kube over and above where auditing becomes the lyrical element. You cannot just be listening to the value. Konje yangena in the radio notes. Is it making sense? Spanning the pillar now, you know. When you does production in Maziola, now we are too far, I think it becomes that also. Does it make sense? Does it balance? Their wave sessions are going to be if there are sounds that sound like this is beautiful. We need to get to a point where probably there could be an arrangement now. I would say shifting montage, just to be right? The idea is what the project finally kubeka, no program finally kubeka, see the finally ends and number we are hoping to host Abandaba producer. Listen to the productions. If you are interested to say me, I want, and you guys can have a collaboration conversation. I think in the Nobel Collective a general song. Right. So I think in simple terms, me inspire me. What's the idea? Like just you know, but who call it right? So before even playing, give us that backstory. This is this Ikamgalana, and the idea is to attempt to do this with the song. And then we are Ishala. I think we then go straight into feedback, right? And then we go to the second song, we do the same thing. We go straight into feedback, and then we go to the next artist. Umaniti, the backstory, there is a backstory and there is a forward story. The forward story, it's part of the conversations and we are learning. So a forward story, for instance, it's called an ode to Imfunda Makwela. Right? So an ode to Imfunda Makwela becomes a prelude to Ispin Fenek. Right? But iyodwa leyo ngoma leyo inomlenze omude oyinemilenze emide to a point yokuthi sigcine siba nanansi project eyi-workshop, right? I-workshop ifike ihambe ibe inento ebayiyo but konke kuqhamuka kule ngoma, right? So mangithi backstory kuba inspiration yakhona, okay, somebody says Imfunda Makwela, then qhamukele igama ulithande bese uyalilandelela seleqhaqa liba lento elibayiyo kuphuma the poem ephuma. My Pumina Neo poem, go on notice, the poem that I have in my Tata thing with Bafundis and now suddenly setting a workshop around that, right? Saying beyond the inspiration, what else is there when you think of the song that you are playing for us? What is the concept, right? What's the idea? Maktiwa zonke izinto zebalancing. What would you do to make it bigger than big, right? Yeah, so in backstory and then the forward story is because namuhla kusiya ukuthi insweni ngoma so ikhipha bese uthi iyabamba bese no, that doesn't work anymore, right? We've gotten to a point where you need to create an entire world. So whether the world becomes the world of the artist or it becomes the world of the song, right? I think it's just a matter of being aware of that. If you have seen the way I can right? So you will explain the inspiration. le enye mawuthi awukaze wayicabanga, and then becomes a challenge to start thinking of the music that way. Beyond ukuthi ngizofaka ku Spotify, yiphi enye indlela konje lento le enga-exista ngayo. Ngoba ngenza nansi yenza ukuthi yale engayikhipha mina halesikhathi namanje isaba. It's a project that's still moving because unotice the fact ukuthi iyodwa lento le ngiyakhona ukuyifaka ngoba bengikhuluma nge-web session. Sayithatha le ngoma siyifaka kwi-episode ye-web session. Right? But kune-content ekhuluma ngayo le ngoma. So the content le uyakhona ukuyithatha uyihlikize uyenze okunye na. Yeah? I think ngiqedile yankheli. Njalo ngizama sesifike.
By the looks, no, by the sense of hearing, it's a good song, a concept yakhona, and my ngabe ukuthi uchaza indaba kaAmanda Black ukuthi sound. First sound, if you listen to Amazulu, like Amanda Black, first album, it's an ambitious type of sound, African trap. That's the sound. But I'm worried for than about for the longevity of the song. The longevity, the length, yeah, the length of the song, because we are in the world where umculo khona uningi kakhulu. I have to give Uyan Kelly space ukuthi ngilalele uKippy Project. Nangoma I have to ngijahe nanga so busy la. I have to listen to Khulekani, I have to listen to Akeda now, yabo. The longevity of the song. Ngikhuluma the world, the radio world now. Not us as the people outside the media. Verse 2 noma verse 3, there's that message that I'm looking for. Because we are on radio, so I'll have to cut. The message that is expected by someone to the Aksafigi call. So for me, according to our radio criteria, length, yeah. Other than that, it's a beautiful song. It's very rare in Mkondo. It's very rare in Mkondo to a gospel song that is coming from Abantu Abash, because the people who are actually singing gospel in Mkondo, it's a handful of youth abacula gospel emkhona. Kodwa ngiyambongela ngiyam-uploada futhi ukuthi she chose that route. Ngithina nje yabo ukuthi kube ukuthi yena mhlambe she takes that route for inspiration yabanye abantu who might follow on her footsteps. And that's why it's a beautiful song.
Into engijabulisa kakhulu ukuthi ingoma ihlukile kakhulu. So indlebe yethu kwesinye isikhathi inokuzwa into eyodwa, uthola ukuthi abantu baningi, okusho ukuthi lowo muntu oyedwa, because even the industry ngicabanga ukuthi in terms of bookings and stuff idinga that person ozohluka the missing piece, because if ever mina noKhulekani sifana bazoba nenkinga ukuthi bazothatha bani phakathi kwami noKhulekani, because ekugcineni konke ngeke bathathe umuntu oyedwa kawu-2. So the song is totally different. Futhi nje ukumazi kwami uYan Kelly esuka khona to here. Thank you so much.
So,
nami ngifuna ukusho lesho ubhekthana vele kancane ngithola isound ehlukile especially la mkhona and kunzima I'm sure kunzima kuye the fact ukuthi yabazi abantu la mkhona ukuthi sivele sebajwayele le sound le and then you come with a new like lento le imnezi challenge yena and ngiyamsaluta for ukuthi lesa challenge akayisabi ngilokho
ungxole ngicela umdala mina abantu engihlala nabo sibizana ngeyibona auditing angisho mina yeah keep to the point auditing I think i-question yami esengiyibisela kimi probably asiyibuze kayi-one leyo question kube i-answer everybody abazoyizwa bayithathe but ngibuzela nansi ingoma esiqeda ngizwa so if kuwukuthi le ngoma endlebeni ithi ihlukile right the only point yi-length yengoma because isikhathi samanje siso like amajita have even done it a second song ukwenza sure ukuthi we keep it moving but now if kuwukuthi that's the only caution ukuthi le ngoma could be long and it could have a message important and then according to your radio card if that's the only speed hump the question engiyakuyo ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi what then becomes the thing if the artist says available so what is the process or the procedure for them to get the song played kumkhondo FM so exactly this based on izinto i-artist efanele lizazi efanele zibe clear before bayithumela le ngoma noma even lo mgudu wokuthumela ingoma emkhondo FM kwenziwa kanjani njengalela nje angazi yazwa kanjani
I'm trying so much to
Bekuthanda uyangizwa buza ngicela uphendule
ukuthumela ingoma emsakazweni ngicabanga ukuthi ukuhlukahlukene kodwa kunendlela eyodwa futhi enye eyayibe right yokuthumela iproducer because if ever uthumela mina personal noma uthumela kwi-the rap show mhlambe hip hop ingoma sengiphendula nje wonke umuntu mhlawumbe ozofuna ukuthi abuze kunengoma ezodlalwa audit kwi-the rap hip hop show mina ngingazazi yabo ngingayitholi kwishow yami ukuthi yabo kodwa uma ngabe mhlambe uyithumele ngomgudu ka-producer kodwa ke kuyaye kube ngcono because even kulama shows ala ekuseni uyakwazi ukuthi abatshele ukuthi there's a song ekanje kunengoma ekanje than ukuthi idlalwe ishow eyi-one.
Kune-email mhlawumbe
ya kune-email personal email ka-producer.
okay asingayikhiphi-ke ngoba asivumelananga nabo nani
Yeah.
kodwa esizwile yakhe kuthiwa send it to an individual because i-individual izothi uma icompila iyenze idlala le ngoma idlalele ishow yayo bese mayingena i-DJ elandelayo ayisekho le whereas uma kuyingoma esestation izoba khona probably uzoyibona angazi understand right
Yes. Nanokunye kokunye if ever mina ngifakile ingoma kaYankheli ubheka kayazi even ubheka ngayibheka ingoma eyini ayibona ingoma kaYankheli because uYankheli akamazi and mhlawumbe local vele ilocal sinokuyisaba ukuthi it might happen kunamagama angasebenzisekanga kahle quality wise izovele yabo shaya lapho nalapho so kuye kube nzima kodwa uma ngabe isendwe ngale ndlela bekade ngisho ngayo kuba ngconywana.
No, I think that's it. None of my criteria, because I really stress the criteria. I be known to the people, because the people are actually active on social media. Babon criteria, this is a criteria. Yeah, but in a time to this kind of thing, just for me to watch the basic criteria that we need. A biography, because you know why we need a biography. A biography in government. Because when we announce these songs, when we introduce it to the people, I wasn't to Kulegan. Because we need to show appreciation and show your works to the people. Oh, okay, this person has worked with so and so. Biography as an artist, we are sending alone to the law. So in the Balagili, Ugutuena, Ulungisi biography, e-profile as an individual. La Payalo, no, some know this thing she made it up to sing. I want to be entertaining, I want to be positive. I bet so about saying in now, your attachment, both the wave and the MP3. Both the wave and the MP3. Artists they are sending out. The reason why e-wave is because e-wave has a better quality compared to the MP3. Then we are going to convert it to converting to a better MP3 now to send it. Because any going to send an MP3, one like this my car. So, wave. It's optional. Mama send any wave, I send it in MP3 on the other hand. So those are type of things that we need to put our minds at.
I was going through Isimo, so I was talking to Unkulunkulu. I was praying. That's all I can say. So.
Do you have anything to say?
Musical wise, the song.
Whatever.
10K.
Anguzo?
It's young K. I'm like, it's good.
It's young K. Okay. I'm
like, I've heard it. Music.
Uti, it's on brand. Yeah. Uti, it's on brand.
You understand?
Yeah. Is that something nothing to add or to remove?
No, like, to elaborate, like, I've heard her music before. You know, so like, she's there. She's her. Like,
she is H-E-R. I hear you. Now, Kayla?
Wamentionile ngithi ukuthi uyankheli wenza music othanda ukubasa gospel. And then that's very rare amongst us here. So what I would like to say ukuthi ngiyam-applauda for making music that can be spiritual or can be religious, but also the sound yakhona, sound-wise, it still appeal to us.
Hey, as my first, it's billion as tell. I was telling it's billion. We've seen Kelly moving from that tiny voice of hers to what she is right now. So far, this is my favorite song. I mean, and if it's not length, I won't complain about the length. This is my favorite song right now. What's wrong and is I was a virgin to the song, so I mean, it's a very good song. Cool. It's radio friendly too, because anything it work on. As much as it's going the gospel route, the gospel route, it's if you can hear that beat is hip hop, that beat is rap. Yeah, but as abantu enjoy the production more than what the person says. The production, the balance song, more than who's the team, what this beat is a vibe. Yeah, well. Because I'm more than beat so to have his shares and it's mellow in but this one is soulful, but at the same time it's still progressive to tell it's leaning towards rap. So nice one.
Move on, we can move on. Let him sound okushodayo nje ukuthi hambisa ingoma emsakazweni, not only emkhondo kuphela but nezinye iy'teshi ayingene ingoma. Yilo engingakusho nje kuphela, singabi ukuthi sibheke umkhondo kuphela kwezinye iy'teshi.
A very big point, a very important point in the show, because as a radio station, we are not only a radio station that is focused on ourselves to play. We have friends. Olipo, friends, Uvuma, KZN, so if we have relationships, I'm a compiler, so we have built a relationship big, so our people, we plug our people to the next radio station. So it could be good. If people go to Valley, we've already set the date for a release, no message coming in. May you please just submit so that's called share the radio station.
Press play. Can we move on to the next artist?
So you're telling me right most of the song so busy though it's so cheap on the music. So that's the song we recorded. And like emotive behind the ngoma. It's okay as a person that everybody in your life we do have problems. We do have more consequences, but everything shares the problem. There's that percentage in like not my escape or so this song they kind of put it up, but when they maybe was way too much in India. They said they can't do so this one in another if every person feel like going outside, people not forgetting who's focus on in their life. By J, the person man. So it's based on that. Lengo when we created inside technology of which it's experimenting with sound, they try. If ever about by approval like this song is good, then you're gonna have to change the beats here to original. If it does make sense. Let me not say anymore, I'm talking about
Before you start, may I suggest something? Because we need to, we might also give the credit to composers and the writers. Yes, it's his song, who produced the song, who mixed the master, before the whole process of listening the album.
Oh, because the song is not going to be out yet. It's just it's a different sound, by the way. We're experimenting a different sound. So what's that for you? What's in the nation? Actually, boy, it's the right track. According to your production and everything, you are ready. Because to do an official song, you need to need something like that. So.
When I'm asking the duets.
Yeah, you cannot have someone produce it. It's a
Okay, make the song.
Wait, it's the kid next door? And I think, yeah, still I'm in the fight.
Don't my shame is a sorry, mama. Don't my child is a like mama. Yeah, mama tell me you be up. So yeah, on the first on the last verse we have Beast all the way from Swaziland, unfortunately Abeka. So this was just a taste, it's not official. I had to force money to keep it out just so I can present.
The sound is proper, it's proper. And you see the song is out. It's not out. And when I'm always the text, these are the quality of the text. There's the quality of the vocals and what it could be. If you can try to match the quality of the text with that, I don't care what you pay to download it. Okay, fine. No, I'm messing up. Yeah, I shit the subs. But if you can try to approve, if you can try to match quality with the text, because the tag is already there. The producer is the beat, and then they made the tag. Quality. If you can try to match whatever mixing ends up in the end with what's there.
So, noma bethiwa yini oyenzayo, it has to balance. Primarily, it needs to balance, right? So if kuwukuthi ngithawule ibeat elihamba la, as soon as lento enyenzayo ihamba la, izoba off balance lento enyenzayo. So I need to find a way to make sure this goes as far as editing poster. It needs to balance. When I look at it, it needs to balance. Editing videos, it needs to balance from the beginning. My video, it needs to balance. Nala music, it's
the theme of the song, the style of the song. What's the concept within his mind? Maybe
I'm a good artist. My woman said it's example to the young ones. But I don't want to come along, but soon I decide that it's a full to answer my own. It's not care, it's a true story. One woman decide because we want to enjoy yourself, forget about this. Either person can celebrate some wins or in July, but in life, we call it let's one. Yeah, well, life of the party is like that. Yes.
It's a party like song.
It's a party like song. We are usually it's a pair and for some parties.
It's a bit of Caribbean also.
Yes, it's something like that.
Thank you. It's really
It is stress high. Ukuthi as we downloaded beat. Yeah, but we don't stress more on a downloaded beat. But again, emsakazweni is downloaded beat matters. So as we downloaded beat, nisazolikhanda mhlambe layo ingoma. Nizokwazi ukuthi nimeshe the standard that is by the beat.
Yeah, I think we can match because that independently is the sound. I won't say that you don't see actually have to improve master the engineering. What's important is that you don't have to start and I'm not going to tell you if you're going to kill. The concept must not be okay. This song was a song language. We can also convert it. See, and then add in there, but in a different way. I think that's what being an artist is about.
And one more thing, which is as much as the Niwashama gang, this could apply to anybody. As Niwashama gang, shine as Nandi Nonke, Yadinga, Ingoma la, Uwedokol. That was to from the get-go up until the end, because kwesinye isikhathi kuma-bookings bayebacele umsebenzi wakho wethu umsebenzi wakho, so uthola ukuthi wena zonke iy'ngoma featuring ODT featuring Khulekani yabo akukho la bakwazi ukuthi bakuthole khona uwedwa yabo. Nje mina kube nzima ukuthi kule ngoma ngikuze ukuthi ukuphi, because yabo ama-voices wenu yabo, so ngiyafisa ukuzwa ukuthi-ke nasewushintshe kanjani because ngiyakwazi long ago and then manje ngifuna ukuthi ngikuzwe manje ukuthi ukuphi, but then kule ngoma engistruggleshile bro, uze wawasha ama-verses ukuthi verse 1 ubani, verse 2 ubani, ngakhathi ngithi okay uye lo kade segcinile yabo. So
mara inkinga kubayo inkinga esala iyi-one ukuthi yazi small request ekwachize bese siyaconsider na ukuthi achize kumele ngimfake-ke la ngazile ingoma yenze manje kwayo, so sinake ama-resources la sinazo izinto zokusebenza, so we have to consider every time ukuthi kumele nayo nginikile esinyana boma ikhala kakhulu ngeke uzomkhipha
imnandi
bathi imnandi ngoba uthela ifana nani boy?
It's a bit of a Caribbean type song.
It's a bit of a Caribbean type. So yini Caribbean type song?
It's a coaster.
Yeah, I want to come out.
Yeah, so my name is I'm Legend. Then igama lami nguLuis Dlamini. I'm originally from Kwaggafontein. I came here around last year. And yeah, the song I'm about to play now, it's called Time Spent Alone. It's a song I made back home in Wickham. He's a dude from back home, and the producer is Stitch, also some dude from back home. And then the beat I got it from YouTube. Then, the backstory behind the song is that it's about a situation that I was going through a while back in the past. And I don't usually like talking about my situations, so I just put it on the song. So yeah, it's just there for that. And yeah, we can start.
All the time I spent on you, all the time I spent on you.
Cause by the life will I provide, I can provide for me. But to be honest, I'm just selfish, I'm fucking disgusting. I do regret how I handled the whole situation and the solution. Remember when I tried to end it and they spoke great before success. These bitches being fast with success. Honestly, I'm far, I'm the one who did text. Telling me I'm the reason. Bitch, I'm really fucking fun of you, they fun with you.
As a producer, my comment is gonna be like, the mixing of the vocals is dope, but the problem that he made is like a downloaded beat is a 2-bit way, which means we're supposed to lower down the melody so that the vocals can be made with the actual song.
Slow down or lower down?
There's not much to say to it, but it's dope. I like it.
Yimi ngizama ukuzwa lento esho ukuthi bekufanele angisho ukuthi the first thing
a downloaded beat is like it's a actual like it's coming in as a complete song.
Yeah.
Right. So when you tryna like put your vocals into it, you have to destroy some frequencies in order so that your vocal can be mixed in.
Very important. So Uti, according to him, I think that becomes very important. Part of the struggles with our trying to grow each other is attempting to open up. So he says, it beats online. Lisuke lenziwe laba-saturated, ligcwele, right? So uma uzolithatha ligcwele ngoba linjalo, ufika urekhode phezu kwayo. So obviously that's fine. So his ear can pick it up. Ukuthi la kunezinto engadestroywanga ukuze create-ke the thread la azohamba khona lo muntu oraphayo. Does it make sense what I'm saying? Yile into ayishoyo. So any beat that comes out, it almost comes out like a full song. Because when I'm wenza ngoma ngisho ufika uthi nansi i-track yokuqala. Right? Ufaka ubu-9 track yesibili. Ayi ngiyaproduce manje. Yabo. Ufake nokwesithathu. Right? Ufake nokwesine bese uthi ayi iphelele right. Into eshodayo manje umuntu ozongena kulama pockets. Adlale kulama pockets, right? So what he is saying, according to how he hears ama-beats are downloaded, asuke anganasi space salama pockets. I think to further elaborate what I'm saying. Sisuke singekho space. It means when amawulithatha fanele ubulale certain aspects kule ndlela elenziwe. So awulishintshi lona, but you create the loops where you're gonna jump on. Nikuzwe kahle?
Yeah, you have to like lower the melody so that the vocal itself can be the melody making the beat.
It's the same thing I'm saying. So he calls it the melody. Yebo kuti?
As into engayisho about ama-beats angayisho. Ama-producers abafaka lama-beats lapho basuka nge-best promoter. Most of them, but kune-website, I think they always have party whatever beats they call. Kunama-beats style. So then they will show audit. Kunama-wave. There's wave, there's MP3. So mawuya lapho kulo muntu wakithi ukhuluma naye, I'm sure he's gonna direct you to really care who beat stars. Lapho you get to speak with people. Sure. Yeah. Find the beats, man. Yeah. Then they come out. Yeah. Lapho you can manipulate whatever is happening on the beats. Same thing ends again, you said it. That's why I said.
Okay. Thank you. You are saying exactly what he's saying. Manipulating the beat.
Yeah.
So anything is to hear how other people work, right? And then I was trying to explain what I'm hearing. Because it doesn't matter where the thing comes from. Isuke is a full package. Right? Finally, when I'm out in another full package, we apply it as a creative. So he says you need to lower the vocal. Right? Mina kunama aspects efanele uwabulale in order for you to find the bed for you to work on. Uqinisile yebo ake ukhuluma nalapha ukhuluma asibuyele engomeni sakhuluma ngomba.
I understand about the use of levels that aside because ukuthi ngoba ngingene isizophela phela na, but I could hear ukuthi kena where is it coming from with the song, because in my thoughts when the song was playing he's from that era, he's from that era, our era, that era. So into engichazile ile ngokwe-radio ke, if you're from that era, there's a limited space for that. Hence we have the email for the Rapper People show. That show can be kodwa ukuthi mhlawumbe singayithatha mhlawumbe singathi sine ingane encane eno 6 years old ngayicula, it's unfortunate ukuthi ngeke for umntwana, because what we are trying. Wait, maybe please give me some time. Okay. Ngikhulumela in terms of the language. In terms of the language, actually the language used, because it must be understood by a layman. Singama South Africans, we speak the languages in Indonesia. Angazi noma because ngithulisi phakathi, angazi noma is there any use of that language yesingulu as much as far as language is concerned. Something KG, I rap too. Yeah, rap because I like what it does, but it's unfortunate it has a limited space with radio because I'm wearing that cap. Otherwise, go to a we are from Dabaistrat to Village rapper. It could have, right? It took me that side of me. It really shook me. It shook me from a rapper's perspective. But when it comes to radio,
thank you very much. I think in the session itself, and also for the concept of a radio, right? Because Me, I've been doing what I do for the past 20 whatever years. And at a certain point, I took a decision, radio does not make sense. Why? Because the message that I'm peddling and what radio is attempting to do, it's not the same thing. But kunento esebenza ku-poetry at the level of writing yasesikoleni. I'm sitting here, I'm studying creative writing. So how we judge a good poem is intent. Right? So anybody can stand up and say, lay on. Afika khulume ngoba ngikhuluma nje ube nama fluctuations abantu bajabule ngoba emhlweni besathi hawu hayiba ngikonto yangikhenzisweni bese bathi ngikona, you know. But all that person is doing, they just arranging. They haven't done any work, right? When they have done the work, what we look for is intention, right? So if intention is to double entendre the concept of a flower, right? And give you a message ehamba la, the message ehamba la, bese kuba the message in between, right? So as a consumer of the art, for the past 20 odd years, I can hear it. So here is the intention. Half of the time, in the work, even in the languages, you hear it completely. We then say, did the intention get fulfilled now? What right? So I might tend to disagree. He comes from the same air as Mina now. So in Tintile, goosebumps. Because there are three things that song does. It has got something that I was standing there. I was even saying to myself, he sounds like he looks, right? So if you think of Anderson Park, that's what I was thinking of. So there is this part in Atali, and he brings it back that side, which does this Anderson Parky thing, right? It's risky, right? It's very, very risky. And then he comes back in between, before he does the rapping. And then he plays around with a different shade of that same space as KT, right? Yeah, I fucks with that, bro. It's not good for radio. Yeah, I love that, bro. I fucks with that. Shit. So I think creatively, just to sum it up, creatively, there is something that the song does. And for the time that he says he's trying to invigorate, or the nostalgia that he's bringing, he captures that. It lives. It's alive, right? Which is why I then say, with the intention of the song, according to Lendebeng, he explained a poet. For me, it feels like it was, so you took a decision with Hamba Belade, and that intention was fulfilled. We are different. Sure. And which is why the it disqualifies the song automatically for e-radio. Right? But if we are dealing with the art itself, right? There are decisions that he takes as an artist which become risky, but they make this thing exist in the space as KT. And it's alive. It's a rare thing who sounded like you look. And the Ankeli, you have mastered that. What masterisha was we
When it comes to hip hop, you can differentiate a local artist and an international and a national artist by the way they rap, their fluteness. So then, ufuna reach a standard like whereby you could appeal to us, Tina, us enthusiasts, us connoisseurs of hip hop, finally, ube fluent, ube like, cause the beat like now cutting in it's a grand beat. Manje, it's the energy of the vocals, the speed of the vocals and all of that. Finally, keep up. You have to keep up with the beat and move with it about, let me say, two times faster, so that uzokwazi capture it and make it sound better, rather than just rap slow and like make it less, more energetic and stuff. So then finally, you have to appeal to an international audience rather than a local audience. So then you have to rap fast, or you have to rap fluently, and you have to change your accent into a perspective whereby it could appeal for all of us. Yeah.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
I take a decision now that I am writing a piece that talks to ukuvela kwe-EFF. I'm just trying to find something that I can make a practical example. You know? So, mfunde edrobheni from primary school all the way to high school. Yabo? So my English becomes first language. Uyakuzwa lo arrow lapha phakathi, first language. Higher grade. So then I take a decision. Well, now me, I am gonna write this thing, you see. This thing must come out the way this thing must come out. You see? You see? You see? Yes. Now, if I record this thing, according to the decision that I have taken, would hear Julius Malema says, don't come Chacha here. Here it's either you respect or you jump. Rubbish is that thing you covered in your pants there. You see? Say, can you take this thing out? You see? Now! I mean, right? I do not have to twirl that thing. I didn't twirl. In order for it to be honest, finally, even in order to be honest. But as soon as you attempt to do what you are saying, good story this was spoken. Goes over that disconnect. Would now you are attempting to tell me about a man who speaks like this. And then we have 20 years ago. Fanele ube lo muntu uyodlikoda wena umikise wiphi. So there is a disconnect. It's important what you are saying, because if you are saying you are playing at an international level.
No, not like.
Hold on. Let me just finish the point that I'm making. If we are saying we are playing at an international level, the only way for you to stand out is to be you. It is to be you. Hip hop, which is what you said. So hip hop has got these things according to Ushawab. So hip hop requires you to go. But now, if you think I obviously, it's over difficult who is an enthusiast or who is an enthusiast. My feeling when's but the conversation is international. That's the only way. I promise you that's the only way. Me, I've traveled 3 times. Hence, I'm a poem, I understand what other people do. People who say they studied Zulu first language, they do not hear those poems while they perform a local man. Solely because uti. Okwami uthi gijimisa amakhulu moya yabo uthi kubu. Lo muntu uyenza kanjani into lena yabo? Then I know I've tapped in, I'm moving. So it's very important what you are saying. Hip hop wants this, but how do we then get to the fingerprint? I think that's what I'm saying. Because if we say, in order for you to play international, me, I've traveled the world 2 or 3 times. Why would you have the person go to the this brother? Can you please, you are saying you wanna fix what I heard? Yes.
My full intention is like the accent and the speed and the tempo of the song, of the vocals of the song. That's the only problem. Okay.
Exude. Ingoma yama zing speed up. The game I build up. It's a my puma when people who commented and said, "Hot man, nengoma ifuna ama lyrics esingami." You saw that? There were people who said this thing requires esingami. Hey, me, I don't agree. No. Yes, in our BT, as he was, I was told you chopper but intention. If we take a decision, we end full on. Over as the listener is not to be lazy. We are may know about music outside because people are lazy. And if you are lazy, you cannot. Stay away, I'm okay. I don't need you as a listener. I do not need you. You need to be 80 because you must be. If you are not willing to break, I'm okay. We need to move on. This is not about 3.
I want to excel. Excel. I want to because singakhuluma nge-3 kumele 3 le yase-UK kune-3 yase-Chicago. So accent yase-UK, accent yase-America, accent yase-Nigeria, accent yase doesn't make hip hop. Accent yakho imashaya isiZulu, imashaya English yakho imashaya isiZunglish. Yabona uzwakala ukuthi umuntu wase-South Africa kodwa ozamile. As much as i-message yakho was the basics of hip hop. Accent, which when you sound like convert to into America, doesn't make you. That's what I just want to say.
Accent, ABT. By default, England yami izogada ukuthi ngizoza uTravis Scott. We rap, right? And then it becomes a bit of a hard sell for me to be convinced, especially if I'm saying preconceived conceptions. King man. So Gushi, hip hop is so. Wakuluma lamasa it's okay, like, but that's hip hop for him. All we are attempting to now do is to say, what we need to then understand is the fact that your preconceived notion of what hip hop is not really that. Because the people who are doing hip hop right now are not really doing hip hop. Because hip hop is breaking the rules. But anyways, we are not here to talk about hip hop and writing. Are we okay, brother? I'm not saying you are wrong, you're 100% right, but you need to grow up in hip hop and become a connoisseur from being a fanatic.
Speaking of growing up, I think this thing is more about international blessing. The way we talk about hip hop won't be the same way we started from 2005. So when I eat definition of hip hop is really different from here. So it's about also understanding target audience. I can see artists, actually have target audience.
Artists, which is why I keep going back to Nixwiller. Nixwiller, yabo wena ungalungu uba i-shop steward. Ukhulumela abasebenzi. Then kube ukuthi nje ubafaka ehlathini ngoba ukhuluma ungekho shop.
To add to ipoint esho Shojila fire i-generation, because if you listen to that song, uqeda uyilalela manje, Mangatata le ngoma le ufake kuyo u-Anderson Park, and then you take the same beat ufake kuyo u-Warren G, you can hear the differences. Yeah.
The concept behind the song, it's about escaping from the reality in which we live in. So it's just 3 minutes, 15 seconds of escape with now from your own reality and then living in a separate world. And then back to the first song and the second song again, I think I didn't clarify it properly because the first song is not really for radio. So it's about the target audience. The first one was not for radio. And then the second one, I attempted to write it for radio. So there's no swearing on this one. And then, yeah, you can judge it out.
Sometimes I feel like crying, sometimes I want to die. I don't want to stay here, I don't want to lie. I just want to fly. Getting around it cause I'm scared. I'm on this fest for the night and I'm feeling all this everything to the line. Come with me, say goodbye. I just wanna fly.
I just wanna fly. Siyabonga. Phansi bakutshela ukuthi ibheda kanjani ngoba. Seke nivulela ngisho ngiqalela. Ngingasabi ke. Sengishila ngisho ukuthi ngomtshela ukuthi ibheda kanjani. Angiqale kuwesophithi.
Like for me, the song is fire because each and every song in the market is a corn. And in Lena, if I see he's higher than the birds, higher than the sky, I relate because it seems like, I don't know, like it's for a band or for a specific group. Yeah.
Concept, intention, execution. Alright? I think it's back.
This nigga wants me to remove the radio head and just talk as now like a rapper, like a rap artist. The way he sounds, the way he chooses his beats, ngiyabona ukuthi une target market, there's a target audience there, and you think, okay, me, this is who I want to be. And I like that honesty. But with radio, it's too perfect. It's too perfect. Because there are points, obviously he raps. He reminds me of the early days J. Cole. The 2007 J. Cole, 2011 J. Cole. 2011 J. Cole. Because
J. Cole before J. Cole found himself.
Yeah, that J. Cole. That J. Cole, the hooded J. Cole. He reminds me of that J. Cole because he Friday Night Lights, those are type of beats that he selected, that he made. Similar to E High Power, of which he produced for Kendrick. Yes. So, when radio, it's really that song. It's really that song. Now, call of radio. I think manga is submitted. It could attract the audience a tea. Why am I saying this? Because your midday shows, it fits perfectly. Especially for urban radio, because I'm doing urban radio. It's not your traditional radio straight up. Because I'm trying to make sure that when someone comes from a city or comes from a different location, he can find those type of songs, he can find those type of tunes. So for radio, I think it's really, really yes. So I would say I type them emails, which I email. I'm happy.
Thank you. So if we look at the title of the song says what? Fly. One notice in where?
Those first two lines.
Exactly. So kunensanga eningi music walomjito. kulensanga eminingi, and le ngoma le becomes almost a culmination of leyo nsanga le. And it becomes interesting ukuthi the title is Fly. Uma uyilalela, even the execution, the decisions that are taken, whereas with I really pay money. Awekho nje umuntu ungafuna sumele ngathi asiyelena. No, me, I fuck with your creativity, right? But a radio when they would play the last song, it makes sense. I like people who take risks, man. You know, like I fuck with that. It might not be profitable, right? But I know it's a fulfillment solely because I did it. You know? Keep at it.
Sorry because I did it. I like that. Whether it's a profit or not, but
yabona le mawulandela iathi kumampela buza mina ngiyazi incane imali yakho ngiyabonga Siyabonga. Unless if there is a point that you guys need to give him a round of
Sanibonani.
Amayini kodwa uzokutshela.
Amayini ngicela ngisho. Okay, so i-track engizoyidlala kuqala it has been released, it's been out, but the problem ukuthi I haven't been promoting it or I haven't been giving it that time of day nje yabo, because it's one of those songs engathi I'm a conscious rapper, so it's one of those songs engibhala about mental issues. And sometimes the ingoma ekanjalo, I don't get to promote them, I don't get to push them because ngizama push those radio songs, the ones that people will listen to, they will vibe to, and then those songs, the radio songs, sipushela ukuthi sifuna nama bookings yabo. So sometimes we wanna get booked ukuthi umuntu ayoperforma with full movie or anywhere, so that's why we pushing those radio songs. But then, me as a conscious rapper, mostly I write those conscious songs and I focus more on mental issues. So, Lengwa Male, ititle yayo ithi Save Me, featuring Uno. It was produced by Orex, the beat was made by Orex, and it was written by myself. So, yeah.
In the pain, I don't want to reminisce. I'm feeling like I'm losing the game. My body's clean, my money's in change. Oh Lord, I'm begging for change. And I can't take it, I can't even fake it. It's the same when I'm paging. Every page is doing the same thing, one and the same scene. All of the reasons I wanna stop reading the same thing, I can't explain it. All of this is okay in your business from feelings I wanna escape. Please, I just wanna be what I'm destined to be. I know that everybody agrees. I just wanna be bigger than me. Listen to therapy session and see that I just wanna do it for me.
It appeals to my ears.
Yeah, man. Okay. So busy?
To me, actually, we show everything in American Film. We show everything in the song. Actually, he saved me, so it's a good song.
Whoa! Shout out to that. The relevance, the collectivity.
Nengoma icabangisa lenkinga. Ngiyadepressana, but it's a good song.
Futhi naye bachazile ngocaleni vele ukuthi lengoma lezi angayiphushi. Ngiunderstand ukuthi ucunda ukuthi una target market. Qolo usho njalo ukuthi target market kulezi angayiphushi since I are a mental rap. So as yena mina ngimazi kwamvele naye uphansi. So kufanele vele concentrate kule ngoma enjena kakhulu. And uphansi kwakhe mina bengibona ukuthi because siningi ingoma zakhe ngiyazazi almost iningi.
Ada, do we have comments on this one? Mark? Vele le ngathi ubeyivele lo wena.
Yazi mfusha njalo. Mfusha njalo. Ngiyaretracta wena ngathi udelela wena le udlalele mina.
Yeah, akhuluma ngikho lo.
Akhuluma iqiniso. Inkomo sadlala bakasile. Ngelenga shaqeka ishoka kwadlala ne. Because yabona manje la ngimuzwe totally and ngathi basakatshela mina ukuthi kahle you too slow to catch up. Uthi kahle hayi ukuthi ukhumela phansi ukuthi I'm too slow to catch up. Ngiyaretracta nentebe ngisho eceleni ngiyabonga.
Well, sometimes I really enter into that lyricism type of energy because we're into that. You know, it's a very beautiful song. He's being lyrical on it. Because imagine, very started this auto tuning dance around there, but you can hear him clearly. You can hear him. But I like lyricism. I'm a fan of lyricism, and if someone says some lines that I wish I could have said. Then that means that person is really good. Sure. There's a line of Lil Wayne where he says, being full of zeros like Funyuns. Then that line really shocked Eminem. I could have said this. Once again, you cannot dance around with Wayne when it comes to punches. And if you do a research on my Funyuns, I'll round the veil. I'm a chips. I'll round the veil. Line full of zeros like Funyuns. So, because with his weight. What I'm trying to say about his song, if it really shocks you to that level, especially for the Republic show, it could do wonders. Good production too. It's only production.
Only production, it's on point. I could hear the beat, I could hear some lyrics.
If I say,
it's dope.
When is the days of 3? She went on Passarinho, enough for me. I'm talking general, especially after Leo. In 2025, we do not just release music, right? We sit with a song and we put together what is called a roll-out plan. So there was a time when that thing used to belong to albums, and then it gets shifted according to whoever that's playing. The game, the game, which is the pop game. Me, I'm an artist. Like I listen to this, I listen to that. When it comes to hip hop, I do not even listen to Namaka messages as well as references. Those are not my people. I'm an elsewhere type of person. I am a car type of a person. I am deep hardcore underground. So what underground has done, which keeps feeding the mainstream, is to create ways of how this thing works, right? So, for instance, you say automatically in your conversation,